And this is your elevator at what we pay our rent. I have no idea what kind it is, but let's see where we go. Okay, that's your cowbells. And the features looks like it is a Dover. So let's go up to 2. That's your emergency phone. The Nebraska certification. Capacity 2,100 pounds. And let's head back downstairs. It's just a 2-floor elevator, so it has some nice padding here. Need some work, some little torque here. But we're back down. Here we go. And like Jeffrey would say, and that